So as I pointed out in one of the earlier videos, a couple of connectors are on the strands. There's 4 total, so you get a set of 2, and then farther down the strand you get another set of 2. And on this particular strand, look what happened. It's like almost caught fire and started melting. This one right next to it is totally intact. And again, the other set of 2 on the strand, we have this guy is totally intact, whereas this one right next to it is the same as the other one, kind of caught fire, was about to melt. So definitely a fire hazard and safety hazard, etc. Not good.